The spirits of devil-worshipping nuns don't rest easily because, according to local legends, they have been seen wandering around the road at night, and in particular haunt the field where they are hanged. Since their deaths, the house where they celebrated the Black Mass has slowly been sinking into the ground. Strange smells and sounds emanate from the building at night. There are also other legends about ghost nuns. One claims that a nun was hit by a car late at night while walking home to the convent. She was killed instantly when the impact knocked her into a tree. Others say that she wanders the road at night asking for directions back to the convent. Another legend claims that a nun from the convent became pregnant after having an affair with a priest. She hanged herself in shame, and her ghost can still be seen haunting the tree where she died. Everyone seems to agree that something bad happened, but the legends differ over what it is. I don't know if these legends are real. I don't think so, honestly. But the thing is, we got some man in this building. Are you going to give me a mark? Yes. Yes. So there has to be someone who died here. We just don't know who yet. And at night, we will see if we can capture the ghost. We're gonna set up cameras all around the house and we're gonna figure this out. I'm sorry, my voice is all shot up. I cannot talk too much, but I need to release another video for you guys because I promise every week I upload. So I cannot miss out. Back into the topic. So this house was used in witchcraft. Rumored. It's only rumored. But a whole bunch of nuns, 3 nuns, practiced witchcraft in this sinking house. So people say the nuns that practiced witchcraft here got hanged in these trees above me on this very road. This road is 400 years old. This house, it was built in the mid-1600s. This place is old as hell. We're gonna see if there's any ghosts. All right, guys, so I am at the side of the house right now. The thing is, my microphone's about to die, so we're gonna use the spirit box really fast. I've been here a couple times. Last time I was here, I actually was using the wrong devices when I was paranormal investigating. When I was ghost hunting this house, I was using EMF readers. And I thought I caught something, but the thing is, guys, EMF readers are bullshit. They're not too bullshit because you can still detect a ghost with EMF, electromagnetic fields. But the thing is, it's so hard to prove because your phone can turn on the EMF. Your camera battery can make the EMF go off. Your actual camera can make the EMF go off. Your vape can make the EMF go off. Batteries can, everything. So the thing is, when I was using this EMF, my phone was straight up against it. That's why I was glowing yellow. So it was bullshit. I didn't get anything. But this time I know the science of my devices. So we're actually going to see if we can talk to the spirit. My friend and I went here about 3 years ago, and my friend went inside. He saw a big black shadow and a woman that is in all white. The thing is, it's hard to prove because I didn't have any cameras, but we're gonna see tonight if we can actually talk to a ghost. But let's just get right into it. All right, AM in reverse. Anybody here? Hello? My name is Noah. My name is Noah. I think there's somebody. Hello? Anybody in this house? My name is Noah. This device in my hands allows you to talk. Can you try to speak to me, please? Use your energy, please. What is your name? Nothing. Nothing so far. Are you inside? Aha. 1. I heard 1. Ooh, it's chilly. Did you say 1? 1? Man said 1. AM in reverse. The same person mumbling. It's a muffle. Are you a nun? Are you a nun? Ah, somebody. It's the same man. Remember, that's the same man. You have strong energy by the power of the Son and the Holy Spirit. Are you here? I pray for you. I pray for you. Can you please talk to me? I hear your voice. I hear your voice. I'm not here to harm you. I'm not here to take your house away. Did you die from what? War? Witchcraft? What? Was it witchcraft? Were you practicing witchcraft? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Oh my God, it's so chilly. Guys, this is all for you. This is all for you. I gave you that promise with this pole right here. I gave you the promise. We went to the night mansion in the pole, and now we went to a nun house. Seems like nothing much is here. I hear a man, and I hear like a little mumble, maybe of a female. I don't know. I could be absolutely wrong, guys. If the camera is kind of blurry, it might be because of the snow. But I would like to thank Angela. I would like to thank Tu. I would like to thank all of these people. Thank you. But guys, this video is not over yet. We still have to be here at night. Let's do it right now. Oh God. I'm hearing voices. I'm hearing voices, but not a lot. I heard hay. Are you in the house? Are you in the house? Do you see us? You in here? Do you see us? Do you see us? Hello? You said one? You said one? One? One of you? Is there one of you? Is there one of you? I know there's a man. Are you a man? I hear something. There's people talking. Mm-hmm. Are you from the Revolutionary War? Mark. Did you say Mark? Mark? Is your name Mark? Are you going to give me a mark? Yes. Yes. Yes to what? Is your name Mark, or are you going to give me a mark? Come on, I challenge you. I challenge you. Give me a mark. I'm hearing stuff. What? It's the same dude. Who's here? Who is here? What is your name? Mark? Hello? I'm Noah. I'm a paranormal investigator. I'm here for documentation. Can you show yourself for us? I'm here for documentation. Science. You're dead. I'm not. Hello, I can talk to you. Are you inside? Inside? Are you inside? I'm adjusting the IR camera. There we go. Alright, hold on guys. Pardon me. Apologies if this video is kind of boring, but hey, I'm getting things. I'm getting ghosts. Can you show yourself? Can you show yourself in the window? Can you show yourself through the window? Can you show yourself? Show yourself. Right, here, right. Show yourself. Hear that? Show yourself. Hear that? Hear that? Did you not hear that? Was that you making the noise? Were you making noise? Yes or no? Inside the house. Were you making noise inside the house? Yes or no? Down. Did I hear down? How many of you? How many? How many? Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this kind of video, subscribe and like. I'm sorry that it's not that entertaining, but ghost hunting is not that entertaining.